Welcome back to Curfew Cocktails!
Woohoo!
What are we making this week?
Today we are making a dry El Diablo.
Ooh, what is it? El Diablo. Has tequila in it, obviously.
Yeah, well, we were doing our tequila tasting on Thursday.
Uh-huh. So we're putting in the Patron. How much Patron have we put in?
A shot and a half.
Shot and a half. There you go.
Beautiful.
Now what are you going to put in here?
A little bit of creme de cassis. We're using the Massenet creme de cassis.
Oh, we like the Massenets.
We do.
So we've got
Half a shot of that.
those each. And we've started off with plenty of ice in the glass as well.
Yeah,
Be
I will say
rather generous.
one of those cocktails you want lots and lots of ice.
Nice and chilled. We like that.
And the juice of half a lime.
Ooh.
You can use it slightly less if you feel like it. But, ooh, it's a tough one.
Yeah, Luke was like, we can squeeze our own limes. Lime juice.
We thought we'd have a bit of a silly one this week, but not this silly.
Maybe we should have done this beforehand, Luke.
I have some regrets, but that's fine. Alright, I think that should be enough. We should be okay.
I'm going to put my lime in.
And then
Be a bit
you
crazy.
just top it up with ginger beer.
Ginger beer? Beautiful. Ooh, I like how it mixes. A little bit swirly.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Easy peasy.
Fantastic. And that's it.
Too easy. Cheers.
Nice. Yum.
Mmm. Ooh.
Oh, that's really yummy.